Imagine stepping into your backyard and walking into a lush, warm greenhouse filled with fresh vegetables, fragrant herbs, and colorful flowers, and you built it in less than 30 days. Sounds like a dream? It's not. It's a reality you can create, starting today. Whether you're looking to grow your own food, reduce grocery bills, or simply have a peaceful escape filled with greenery, building a greenhouse is one of the smartest investments you can make. Home gardening is no longer just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. Studies show that having a home greenhouse can increase vegetable yield by up to 80% compared to open gardening. That means fresher food, more variety, and year-round harvests, no matter the season. And here's the best part, you don't need to be a construction expert or spend a fortune. In fact, in this guide, I'll walk you step by step on how to build a perfect greenhouse in less than 1 month, from planning and location selection, to construction, planting, and maximizing your yield. So grab your notepad, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to turn a simple patch of land into a thriving, all-season growing paradise. Before you pick up a single tool, you need to choose the right location for your greenhouse. This is the most critical decision you'll make, because a poorly placed greenhouse will struggle to maintain the right conditions, no matter how well you build it. 1. Sunlight access. Your plants need light, lots of it. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Morning sunlight is particularly important because it helps warm the greenhouse early in the day, creating a stable environment. If your yard has trees or buildings casting shadows, use a sunlight tracking app or simply observe the area for a few days to see where the light falls. 2. Wind protection. Greenhouses can act like sails in high wind, so choose a location that's sheltered on at least one side, ideally near a fence, wall, or hedge. This not only protects the structure but also reduces heat loss. 3. Drainage. Never build on a spot where water collects after rain. Standing water can lead to rot, pests, and foundation issues. If your chosen area is slightly uneven, plan to level it and, if needed, add gravel for drainage. 4. Accessibility. Think about convenience. You'll be visiting your greenhouse daily, so place it close enough to your house that you won't dread going out in bad weather. Also, make sure you can easily connect a hose or install a drip irrigation system. One of the best things about building a greenhouse is that you can adapt it to your budget and style. But for a sturdy, long-lasting build, here's what you'll need: structural frame options. Treated wood, classic, easy to work with, and has a natural look. Needs weather protection. PVC pipes, lightweight, inexpensive, and easy to bend into arches. Perfect for smaller greenhouses. Galvanized steel or aluminum, strong, durable, and resistant to rust, but requires more tools to cut and assemble. Covering options. UV-resistant polyethylene plastic, affordable and easy to install. Choose at least 6 mm thickness for durability. Polycarbonate panels, more expensive but excellent insulation and light diffusion. Great for colder climates. Basic tools. Power drill and bit. Screwdrivers. Measuring tape. Utility knife or scissors, for cutting plastic clamps or clips, to secure the covering level, to keep everything straight. Extra systems for efficiency. Shelving units, to maximize vertical space for pots and seedlings. Ventilation fans, keeps airflow steady and prevents overheating. Thermometer and hygrometer, to monitor temperature and humidity. Building a greenhouse in less than a month might sound like a challenge, but with a clear week-by-week plan, it becomes surprisingly simple. The key is to break the project into manageable stages and tackle one step at a time. Week 1, planning and preparing the base. Before you cut a single piece of wood or unroll your plastic cover, planning is everything. A good plan ensures your greenhouse will last for years and require minimal repairs. 1. Measure your space. Decide on the dimensions. For beginners, a 3 x 5 meter, 10 x 16 feet, greenhouse is a sweet spot, large enough for multiple crops but still manageable. 2. Clear and level the ground. Remove weeds, grass, and debris from the chosen location. Use a shovel and rake to level the soil. If the area has a slope, flatten it to ensure the structure stands evenly. 3. Lay the foundation. You have 2 main options: wooden frame foundation, easy to install. Use treated wood beams to form a rectangle outline on the ground. Concrete slab or perimeter, more durable. Or a concrete border or full slab for maximum stability and pest prevention. 4. Pest barrier. Before installing the foundation, lay down a layer of fine mesh or landscape fabric to prevent rodents or insects from entering from below. Week 2, building the frame. Now comes the fun part, seeing your greenhouse take shape. 1. Install the corner posts, mark each corner, dig holes about 30 to 40 centimeters deep, and set the posts with concrete for stability. 2. Connect the frame if using wood, secure horizontal beams to connect the posts. For PVC or metal, connect with couplers and elbow joints. 3. Add the roof structure. You can choose between A-frame roof, easier for snow and rain to slide off. Curved hoop roof, maximizes interior height and allows more sunlight diffusion. 4. Reinforce for stability. Install diagonal braces in each corner to prevent swaying in strong winds. Use galvanized screws or metal brackets for extra durability. Week 3, covering and insulation. This is the stage where your greenhouse truly becomes a greenhouse. 1. Unroll the covering material. Whether using polyethylene plastic or polycarbonate sheets, start from one end and pull the covering tightly across the frame. 2. Secure the cover. For plastic, use greenhouse clips, batten tape, or U-channel profiles. For polycarbonate, screw panels into place with washers to prevent cracking. 3. Seal the edges. Use weatherproof tape or sealant to close any small gaps. This prevents heat loss and keeps pests out. 4. Ventilation setup. Install windows, roll-up sides, or exhaust fans to control temperature. Overheating is one of the most common mistakes in new greenhouses. Week 4, interior setup. Your structure is now complete. It's time to turn it into a functional growing space. 1. Install shelving and tables. Maximize your growing area with vertical shelving for seedlings and small plants. Use sturdy, rust-resistant materials. 2. Set up irrigation. A drip irrigation system is the most efficient. It saves water and delivers moisture directly to plant roots. 3. Add climate control tools. Place a thermometer and hygrometer inside. This allows you to monitor temperature and humidity daily. 4. Prepare the soil or beds. If planting directly in the ground, mix in compost and organic fertilizer. If using pots or raised beds, fill them with a high-quality potting mix. Ideal plants for a quick producing greenhouse. When you're building a greenhouse in less than a month, you'll want to see results fast. Choosing plants that grow quickly will give you a sense of achievement and keep you motivated. 1. Fast-growing vegetables. Lettuce, ready to harvest in as little as 25 to 30 days. Perfect for continuous harvesting by cutting outer leaves. Spinach, cold tolerant, grows quickly, and keeps producing for weeks. Radishes, mature in just 3 to 4 weeks. Excellent for filling small gaps in your greenhouse beds. 2. Herbs. Mint, strong, aromatic, and grows rapidly in pots or beds. Parsley, thrives in mild conditions and can be harvested multiple times. Basil, loves warmth and will keep producing if regularly trimmed. 3. Flowers. Chrysanthemums, bright and beautiful, adding color to your space. Marigolds, not only attractive but also great for pest control. By starting with these fast producers, you'll enjoy visible results within your first month of operation. Pro tips to boost your greenhouse productivity. Tip number 1. Use organic fertilizer for long-term soil health. Chemical fertilizers can give quick results, but over time, they degrade the soil. Instead, use compost, worm castings, or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil naturally. Tip number 2. Water early in the morning. Morning watering allows plants to absorb moisture before the heat of the day and reduces the risk of fungal growth caused by overnight dampness. Tip number 3. Rotate crops. Even in a greenhouse, rotating plant types in each bed or pot helps prevent soil-borne diseases and pest buildup. Tip number 4. Ventilate to prevent overheating. Open doors or windows during hot days to let fresh air in. Overheated greenhouses can cause plants to wilt or even die within hours. Tip number 5. Keep it clean. Regularly remove dead leaves, weeds, and unused pots to reduce the risk of pests and diseases. Take a moment to look at what you've just accomplished. In less than 30 days, you've transformed an empty patch of land into a living, breathing ecosystem. From the very first planting stage to watching your plants thrive under the protective cover of your new greenhouse, you've built more than just a structure. You've created a sustainable source of fresh food, beauty, and personal satisfaction. Think about it, you're no longer limited by seasons. Rain, snow, wind, none of it can stop your plants from growing now. You've taken control of your food supply, reduced your reliance on expensive store-bought produce, and given yourself the priceless gift of self-sufficiency. And here's the thing, if you can do this in just under a month, imagine what else you can create. This greenhouse isn't just a project, it's proof that with the right plan, commitment, and a little bit of creativity, you can build your own version of a better life. So now, it's your turn to take that next step. Don't just watch, start building. Your perfect greenhouse is only 30 days away, and every day you wait is another day you could be harvesting your own fresh, homegrown food. Seedling emoji, if I could build this in under a month, so can you. Your plants are waiting. Your healthier lifestyle is waiting. All you need to do is start. And before you go, make sure to subscribe for more DIY gardening projects that save you money, give you fresher food than any store, and inspire you to live more sustainably. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip, and share this video with a friend who's ready to start their own greenhouse journey. Because the truth is, the best time to plant a seed was yesterday, the second best time is right now, herb emoji.